What if your entire identity, from your passport to your health records, was stored in a single digital ID? Convenient, yes, but also controversial. Governments worldwide are rolling out digital ID systems, and people are asking, what's the trade-off? A digital ID is an electronic version of your identity. It can store your name, photo, and biometrics, government ID number, driver's license, vaccination status, and more. You can use it for accessing healthcare, online banking, voting, crossing borders. Unlike a physical card, it lives on your phone or in the cloud and can be scanned, verified, and tracked digitally. Over 100 countries are testing or launching digital ID systems. Examples: in India, Aadhaar, the world's largest digital ID database, more than 1.3 billion enrolled. In the EU, European Digital Identity Wallet launching in 2026. In Nigeria, Kenya, and Indonesia, pushing national rollouts. In the US, some states offer mobile driver's licenses. Federal pilots are underway. Private companies like Apple and MasterCard are also partnering with governments. Digital ID benefits, faster services, fraud reduction, easier cross-border travel, simplifies access for the unbanked and undocumented. Digital ID concerns, privacy risks. Who controls your data? Surveillance fears. Could it be used to track behavior? Access inequality. What about people without smartphones? Hackability. Digital doesn't mean unbreakable. Some worry it could become a requirement for basic services, like a digital passport for life. Digital IDs are coming fast. They promise a more connected, efficient world, but also raise deep questions about privacy, freedom, and control. The tech is powerful, but how it's used will shape the future of our rights. Like what you saw. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the next video.